Hey slime fam! It's your girl, your name, back with another slime extravaganza. Today, we're ditching the glue and activator and diving headfirst into the world of no-glue slime. Get ready for some mind-blowing recipes that'll have you swirling, stretching, and squishing like never before. Challenge accepted. Who says you need glue to make epic slime? That's just a myth we're gonna bust today. We've got 3 mind-blowing recipes that use everyday household ingredients to create slime sensations you won't believe. So grab your mixing bowls, unleash your inner scientist, and let's get sliming. Recipe 1, Cloud Cream. This first recipe is all about fluffy, marshmallowy goodness. We're talking cloud cream slime, so soft and light, you'll swear you're playing with a piece of the sky. Ingredients: 1 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup shaving cream, 1/4 cup lotion, preferably unscented. Food coloring, optional. Glitter or sprinkles, optional. Instructions. 1. Combine the cornstarch and shaving cream in a mixing bowl. 2. Add the lotion a little at a time, mixing well until the mixture thickens and becomes fluffy. 3. If you want it colorful, add a few drops of food coloring and mix until evenly distributed. 4. For extra sparkle, sprinkle in some glitter or sprinkles and mix again. 5. That's it. You've got cloud cream slime. Enjoy the dreamy squishiness. Recipe 2, Unicorn Fizz. Next up, we're making slime with a fizzy twist. This unicorn fizz slime is packed with popping surprises that'll make slime time even more magical. Ingredients: 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/4 cup liquid dish soap, 1/4 cup vinegar, diluted with water. Food coloring, optional. Glitter or sprinkles, optional. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the baking soda and dish soap. 2. Slowly add the diluted vinegar, a little at a time, mixing until the mixture thickens and starts to fizz. Be careful not to add too much vinegar, or your slime will be too runny. 3. Add food coloring and glitter, if desired, and mix until incorporated. 4. Enjoy the fizzy fun of unicorn fizz slime. Just remember, it's best to play with this one right away before the bubbles disappear. Recipe 3, Rainbow Swirl. Finally, we're going all out with a vibrant rainbow swirl slime. This one is perfect for expressing your creativity and mixing up some colorful fun. Ingredients: 1 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup water, liquid dish soap, different colors for each swirl. Food coloring, optional. Glitter or sprinkles, optional. Instructions. 1. In a saucepan, combine the cornstarch and water. Heat over low heat, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens and becomes translucent. 2. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. 3. Divide the mixture into separate bowls and add different colors of dish soap to each bowl. 4. Add food coloring and glitter, if desired, to each bowl and mix well. 5. Dollop the different colored slimes onto a surface and swirl them together to create a rainbow effect. 6. Get creative and mix and match the swirls until you have a slime masterpiece. So there you have it, slime fam. 3 epic no-glue slime recipes to unleash your inner slime scientist. Remember, experimenting is half the fun. So don't be afraid to adjust the ingredients and create your own slime sensations. Share your slime creations with me on social media using #NoGlueSlimeSquad, and let's see who can come up with the most mind-blowing slime recipes. Bonus tips: if your slime is too sticky, add a little more cornstarch. If your slime is too dry, add a little more water or lotion. Store your slime in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Most importantly, have fun and get sliming. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more slime fun, and I'll see you in the next one.